What if a child calmly told you that he wasn't from Earth? In 1996, in Russia, a boy named Boriska was born into a family of doctors. From an early age, he showed unusual intelligence. He spoke in complete sentences far earlier than most children. He displayed deep curiosity about space, planets, and astronomy. But what truly shocked his parents was not his intelligence, it was his story. Boriska claimed that he had lived before, not in another country, not in another time, but on Mars. According to him, Mars was once a living planet, home to an advanced civilization. He described the Martians as tall beings, nearly 7 feet in height. Unlike humans, they breathed carbon dioxide instead of oxygen. He said they stopped aging at a certain stage of life, making them nearly immortal unless killed. He spoke about advanced technology, spacecraft capable of interplanetary travel. He claimed that in his previous life, he had been a pilot traveling between planets. And he said Mars had contact with Earth in ancient times. Boriska even mentioned a lost civilization called Lemuria, a name that appears in myths and legends across cultures. Some associate it with the ancient Tamil legend of Kumari Kandam, a submerged continent believed to have possessed advanced knowledge. According to Boriska, the people of Lemuria had powerful technologies, including teleportation and advanced energy systems. Then his story took a darker turn. He claimed that Mars was destroyed by war. A catastrophic conflict broke out, involving powerful weapons that damaged the planet's atmosphere and destroyed its water sources. Oceans vanished, rivers dried up, the atmosphere weakened, radiation flooded the surface. What was once a thriving world became a cold, barren desert. He said that some Martians survived by moving underground, building cities beneath the surface of the planet. According to him, they still live there today. At first, many dismissed the story as imagination, but there were details that made people pause. Modern science confirms that Mars once had liquid water. NASA missions have discovered evidence of ancient riverbeds and possible oceans. Today, Mars' atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, the very gas Boriska claimed Martians breathed. Of course, none of this proves his story. A highly intelligent child could have learned these facts. Human imagination is powerful, and extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. But Boriska did not just tell a story. He offered a warning. He said humanity is developing destructive technologies, weapons that could reshape or even destroy our planet. If we continue down a path of conflict and uncontrolled power, he warned Earth could face the same fate as Mars, a civilization destroyed by its own creations. Whether Boriska's claims are imagination, coincidence, or something more mysterious, they raise an important question. Mars today is silent, but billions of years ago it may have been very different. We may never know. But as we look up at the red planet glowing in our night sky, one question lingers. If Mars once had life, what truly happened there? And could our future, one day, echo its past? He spoke about humanity's growing reliance on powerful and destructive technologies. He suggested that civilizations often fall not because of natural disasters alone, but because of internal conflict and misuse of advanced weapons. According to him, Mars became a victim of its own technological power. If humanity continues down a path of division, war, and unchecked advancement, he warned, Earth could face a similar fate. A world once filled with oceans, life, and thriving cities reduced to silence. Whether Boriska's story is the result of imagination, psychological phenomenon, coincidence, or something beyond current scientific understanding, it forces us to confront difficult questions. Mars stands today as a frozen reminder of planetary change. It may once have had flowing rivers and a thicker atmosphere. It may once have been warmer and more hospitable. But something happened. If a planet can transform so dramatically over time, what about us?